Hi, I'm good. So I'm gonna partially answer this problem only. So Angeli is working for a year as a clerk. I cut out some of the words, by the way. Her employer promised a salary increase of 3% after every 3 months. Assume her basic salary is 10,000 pesos and that there's a constant rate of increase in the first to the last quarter of the year. So now you have to fill in this table, okay? But I have to be honest with you. I'm not quite sure about what you need to actually fill in, okay? Do you need to fill in the cumulative salary or just like the salary per month? And then what I will do, I think, is I will answer the problem as if it was per month. So if ever what you need to write in are the cumulative salary, then I will let you adapt the answer. So you will have to add up like every 4 months. You will have to add up the result that you get, the salary that you get times 4 to the previous result. Okay. But now I'm just gonna go per month. So, okay, the first cycle is pretty straightforward, okay? It's her basic salary, right? The basic salary is this, okay? Now, after 1 month, well, wait. So, yes, every 3 months, right? So, after the first quarter of the year, she will receive an increase. And the increase is of 3%. Okay, now remember that this 3%, you need to convert it as a fraction. Very important. So it's going to be 0.03. And this means that her salary will increase by that. So basically, her salary from month 3 to month 6. So let's actually month number 3 to month number 6. Okay, so that's going to be equal to, so actually let's say that it will be the basic salary. So basic salary plus the increase. So increase in salary. Okay, so now here you have to be careful about what is the increase in salary, because the increase in salary is not 0.03. That's the percentage increase. So the increase in salary is actually quite simple. So what you have to read is that it's going to be 0.03 times the basic salary. So in other words, you have to compute what that is. And this is going to be, actually, I have an advice for you. Don't calculate it, okay? So write that it's 0.03 and the basic salary, write that it's 10,000. Okay, so that thing right here is the increase in salary. And now I'm going to erase, let's say, I'm going to erase the words. I don't think I need them anymore. But you might have to go back in the YouTube video to fetch the words out, okay? So in other words, what do you need to fill in is that salary from month 3, month number 3 to month number 6 is going to be equal to, so basic salary plus the increase, right? So in other words, 10,000 plus 0.03 times 10,000. Okay, and now something important is going on here. It's that this 10,000 is what we call a common factor. I don't know if you learned factoring. I think you did, actually. You did learn factoring of numbers. So 10,000 is actually a common factor. So you can actually factor it out, okay? And what you multiply this is by 1 plus 0.03. Okay, so before actually moving on, I will show you something. So how do I get this 1 over here? It's because I have 1 times 10,000 plus 0.3 times 10,000. So it's the same thing as writing 10,000 multiplied by all of this, right? And you can verify this with by distributing, by doing the opposite. So the 10,000 times each of them will give you this sum, okay? And now this is the key thing. So or actually you can, yeah, you can actually just write this. You will have that this will be 10,000 multiplied by 1.03 like this. Okay, so you could actually, if you wanted to, take your calculator and calculate it. Okay. Honestly, it doesn't give you that much insight doing it. I think you should do it still, but I would rather just write this for now. Okay, so but I'm not sure this is what your teacher wants. Okay, so make it clear with him or her. And now let's fill in number 3. And this is actually where it will get really, really interesting. Okay, so what is salary? So salary from month number oh, why is it 9? It's supposed to be number 6. Okay, month number 3 to month number 6. So then month number 6 to month number 9. Okay, so what is it? Now be careful because it's not the same thing. It's not the basic salary plus the increase in salary. Okay, so what it will be? It will be the salary from month number 6 to month number 3 to month number 6. So it's like her previous salary. So her previous salary, but again, it will be plus the new increase. New increase. And now what is the new increase? So new increase. Well, it's going to be the old salary, the one from month 3 to month 6, that you multiply by 0.03. So it's going to be like 0.03 multiplied by the salary from month 3 to month 6. Okay, so now let's add this up and you will see something really neat will happen. So I'm going to continue the calculation like below the table. So what does it mean? It means that the salary from month number 6 to month number 9. Okay, so that's going to be equal to this plus this. So that's it, salary from, and by the way, you should probably assign variables to these things because as you can see, it's kind of long to always write it all out. So month number 9 plus, and now this is where things get interesting. So 0.03 multiplied by the same number. Okay, so salary from month number 6 to month number 9. Maybe I answered this in a very long way, by the way. Like maybe what your teacher is asking you to do is simply to take this number and multiply it by 0.3 and then add this up. So I might do it in a way that's slightly too long, okay? That being said, it could be helpful. So let's see what happens. Okay, well, following the same calculation as this number, like the number, we know what it is. It's this. But the point is that the number that is here and the number that is here are the same. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to factor it out. Okay? So it's going to give you, again, like in bracket, salary from month 6 to month 9. From, oh my gosh, sorry about that. So all of these should be from 3 to 6. Okay, so I color code in blue, like everything that's in blue should be the same thing. So hopefully you're not confused, okay? So all of these are from 3 to 6. So perfect, we have from 3 to 6. So we do the exact same calculation, okay? So what's gonna happen here is we're gonna have 1 plus 0.03. Meaning that we will get here. And now, okay, so here's the magical thing. So this is the number we have here. So we can actually replace it. So let's continue at the top. We replace now this. This is it. So we're getting like 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. There you go. Multiplied by 1 point. So actually, let's keep it in blue. 1.03. But now we multiply this by another 1.03. So at that point, what will happen is we will have, so 10,000 multiplied by 1.03, but as you can see, there's two of them. So it will be squared. And this will be the salary from month 6 to month 9. Okay, so it's going to be here 10,000 multiplied by 1.03 squared. Okay, I won't fill out this box here. I will leave you to do it because if you understood this idea, then you should understand the rest. Okay? That being said, as you can see, what happened in reality. So you multiply the box 1 by 1.03. Then what you did here is you multiply the second box. You multiply, that's it, the second box by another 1.03 in order to get this. So how do you get the last one? Well, figure it out. I hope this helped. See you later.